Hi everyone. In this video, I'm giving you 10 underrated and undervisited European cities to consider for your next trip in 2025. I've carefully selected these cities based on upcoming events, prestigious awards, their inclusion in top travel lists for 2025, and my own recent travels. By the end of this video, you might be inspired to skip the overrun hotspots and discover places that are equally, if not more, beautiful. Let's get to it. Vilnius, the capital of Lithuania, has been named the European Green Capital for 2025, making it a must-visit for eco-conscious travellers. Here you can explore the UNESCO-listed Old Town, a maze of cobblestone streets and Baroque architecture. Cathedral Square is the heart of Vilnius, dominated by the neoclassical Vilnius Cathedral. Don't miss the stunning St. Anne's Church, a masterpiece of Gothic design, or the quirky self-declared Republic of Užupis, an artistic neighbourhood with its own constitution. For panoramic views of the city, take the funicular to Gediminas Tower, or climb the Hill of Three Crosses, a monument honouring the country's past and resilience. Vilnius offers easy access to Trakai Island Castle, reachable by a quick 30-minute bus or train ride. This medieval castle, situated on a captivating lake, makes for a great day trip, as it allows travellers to explore Lithuania's rich heritage and enjoy the beautiful surrounding landscape. Aveiro, often called the Venice of Portugal, is a charming coastal city known for its picturesque canals and colourful moliceiros, traditional boats. Located just south of Porto, Aveiro offers a unique blend of culture and natural beauty. The Canal de Aveiro is the heart of the city, where you can take a ride on a moliceiro to enjoy the views. And the Aveiro railway station, dating back to 1864, is a great example of traditional Portuguese construction, adorned with colourful azulejos that depict regional scenes. The de Nossa Senhora Church showcases more azulejo tiles and ornate gilded altarpieces. Built in the early 1600s, it remains a cherished symbol of the city's religious heritage. Just a short distance from the city centre is Costa Nova, famous for its striped beach houses and sandy beaches. This lively coastal area is perfect for a day trip, offering opportunities for sunbathing, swimming, and enjoying fresh seafood at local restaurants. Treviso has won the European Green Leaf 2025 award, recognising its commitment to sustainable urban development. It offers a quiet alternative to the crowded canals of nearby Venice. This city in the Veneto region is known for its canals, narrow streets, Renaissance buildings, and excellent cuisine. Start your visit at the Piazza dei Signori, the main square of the city that's surrounded by beautiful palaces. From there, wander further into Treviso's streets to discover the city's authentic character. Walk or bike along the Sile River and gaze at the villas dotting the riverbank. Explore the nearby Prosecco Hills, where you can tour vineyards and learn about the region's famous sparkling wine. And did you know that Treviso is the birthplace of tiramisu? Visit one of the local restaurants and try this famous dessert at its source. Chemnitz, named one of the European Capitals of Culture for 2025, is set to host a year-long programme of cultural events. This often overlooked city in eastern Germany has a rich industrial heritage and many interesting museums. Chemnitz features the iconic Red Tower, the oldest structure in the city, dating back to the 12th century. Nearby, the Theatre Square is surrounded by significant buildings such as the old and new town halls. The Karl Marx statue in Chemnitz, originally named Karl Marx Stadt, honours the city's renaming in 1953, coinciding with the 70th anniversary of Marx's death. Around Chemnitz, you can explore the Ore Mountains, offering excellent hiking trails. Next on the list is Wrocław, a city where old streets buzz with contemporary life, blending historical depth and modern urban energy. Often overlooked in favour of Krakow or Warsaw, Wrocław offers a less visited alternative. The heart of Wrocław is its market square, Rynek, one of the largest medieval town squares in Europe. Admire the colourful townhouses and visit the Gothic Old Town Hall, which houses the Museum of Bourgeois Art. Don't miss Wrocław Cathedral on Ostro Tumski, the oldest part of the city. For a fun experience, take a boat trip on the Oder River, or hunt for the city's famous dwarf statues scattered throughout the old town. For panoramic views of the city, climb the tower of St. Elizabeth's Church. Toulouse, known as La Ville Rose for its pink terracotta buildings, offers a crowd-free alternative to Paris. Start your visit at the Place du Capitole, the city's main square dominated by the Grand Capitole building. Don't miss the Basilica of Saint-Sernin, one of the largest Romanesque churches in Europe. Toulouse is known as the centre of the European aerospace industry. Visit the Cité de l'Espace to learn about space exploration, or take a tour of the Airbus factory to see how planes are made. For art lovers, the Musée des Augustins houses an impressive collection of vintage sculptures and paintings. Nature enthusiasts should explore the beautiful Jardin des Plantes or take a stroll along the Canal du Midi. Toulouse is also known for its gastronomy. Try local specialties like cassoulet. Nestled in the Carpathian Mountains, Brasov is the perfect gateway to Transylvania, offering travellers a tour through Romania's extensive cultural landscape. Start your visit in the engaging Old Town, centred around the Council Square. Admire the elaborate buildings and visit the Black Church, the largest Gothic church in Eastern Europe. It's an amazing 14th century Lutheran church that earned its name after a devastating fire in 1689 blackened its walls. Take a cable car or hike up Tampa Mountain for panoramic views of the city and surrounding mountains. Don't miss the narrowest street in Europe, Rope Street, measuring just 111 centimetres at its narrowest point. Brasov is also an excellent base for exploring Transylvania's famous castles. Visit Bran Castle, associated with the legend of Dracula, or the stunning Pellé's Castle in nearby Sinaia. Fans of nature can explore Piatra Craiului National Park, known for its limestone ridge and diverse wildlife. Or visit the nearby Liberty Bear Sanctuary, home to rescued brown bears. Cork is Ireland's second largest city and offers a great alternative to Dublin. Known for its friendly locals and thriving food scene, Cork is a city full of character and charm. For history buffs, the Cork City Jail offers insights into 19th century prison life. Climb the tower of St. Anne's Church for panoramic views of the city, and don't forget to ring the famous Shandon bells. Cork's English Market, a covered food market dating back to 1788, where local vendors sell fresh produce, artisan foods, and traditional Irish specialties, such as Irish soda bread. If you have some time to spare, take a trip to nearby Cove, the last port of call for the Titanic. Outdoor enthusiasts can explore the beautiful coastline of West Cork, or take a day trip to Killarney National Park. Cork's surrounding areas offer breathtaking landscapes and charming villages waiting to be discovered. Graz, Austria's second largest city, is an overlooked destination where timeless charm meets modern design. The UNESCO-listed Old Town features the Hauptplatz, or main square, surrounded by beautiful Renaissance and Baroque buildings, including the impressive Town Hall and the 17th century Haus am Lueg. The city's most iconic landmark is the Schlossberg, a hill crowned by an impressive clock tower built in 1561. Visitors can reach the top by a quick funicular ride or an uphill, but pleasant 20-minute walk. Architecture lovers will love the Kunsthaus Graz, nicknamed the Friendly Alien, with a blue acrylic glass facade. And don't miss the Murinsel, an artificial floating steel island in the Mur River, designed as an architectural landmark and cafe. Just 50 minutes from Graz, the South Styrian Wine Road features bike tours through vineyards and charming towns, offering impressive views and local wine tastings. Cesky Krumlov, a fairy tale town in South Bohemia, Czech Republic, is the last on this list. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is renowned for its well-preserved medieval buildings and gorgeous landscapes. Start your visit at Cesky Krumlov Castle, one of the largest castle complexes in Central Europe. It features beautiful gardens and an impressive theatre. Be sure to climb the castle tower for some great views of the town. The Church of St. Vitus is an interesting Gothic structure that dates back to the 14th century, known for its intricate form and stained glass windows. As you wander through the cobblestone streets of the old town, you'll find Náměstí Svornosti, where cafes and shops create a lively atmosphere. For outdoor activities, consider kayaking or tubing on the Vltava River during warmer months. Or explore Šumava National Park, known for its spectacular landscapes, hiking trails, and diverse wildlife. So that's our tour of Europe's hidden gems and exciting destinations for 2025. If you're looking for something different in your travels this year, consider exploring these underrated cities. Please consider subscribing if you've enjoyed this video. And if you're looking for more travel inspiration away from the crowds, watch this video next.